Again, good afternoon guys. I just want to take some pretty quick short video my blue hyacinth flowers in here into the plant lawn of my garden. Really looking gorgeous again. Look at this guy. I haven't got much going on this kind of blue hyacinth flowers, but this is the only one corner place that I had it here, but I guess it's really looking gorgeous. And again, I'm looking forward to multiply this by next year. Perhaps I gonna uh, divide some bulbs to it after spring to summertime, things like that. I'm gonna divide the bulbs. Maybe I have to repot into little pots again. I can make another few more pots on this. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do, because I think this kind of blue hyacinth flowers is really looking gorgeous and beautiful. Look at that guy, it's so nice. Yeah, I love it. I love this kind of color. Really beautiful and gorgeous. Yeah, looking forward to it again for next year. Yeah, it's part of hardy plants because this kind of plants doesn't demand so much effort and time. All I have to do is water them during the summertime, give them some water and fertilize. I don't really actually use fertilize to this, I don't know, but I just give some kind of water during the summertime. Yeah, because I think when the summertime the weather is kind of a bit more warmy and they deserve it to have some watering to it. Depends on the temperature, because sometimes summertime in here it's not really that hot or things like that. Sometimes it could be rainy season or windy, things like that, and kind of chilly, something like that. But it's nice, very nice. Yeah, I love watching this kind of flowers by the living room window. I love it because I think this is really gorgeous looking and beautiful. Yeah, look at that guy. I'm happy having this. Yeah, look at that. Anyway, I hope guys you're enjoying watching my pretty short, pretty quick short video. Yeah, it's already afternoon time in here, but soon it's gonna be dark. Weather gonna be dark soon because it's afternoon time in here. The spring is heading, the weather is heading into a springtime now, so hoping that the weather gonna be really turning to be nice and decent again. Anyway, thank you guys for watching my pretty quick short video. Thank you and bye for now. See you for my next round. Bye.